Oh, yeah, everyone. Good morning. So, another day, another moto vlog. So, let's go. So, yeah, I started way too late. I mean, I'm shooting this on a Friday morning, so it's a weekend vibes, eh? Oh, कभी कभी लेट जाना चलता है भाई. क्या बोलते हो?
Music.
I don't know when they will fix this road. Feels really
कौन है ये लोग?
not good to ride on that. I also need to feed this boy. So, yeah, I might probably need a fuel stop. It's another normal day, early morning vibes. I don't see much of vehicles today. Let's hope that will be the same throughout the journey, throughout my ride to the office.
Five minutes later.
I just wish that every roads in Bengaluru should get fixed at the same time.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
Till now, there's almost every road which is being dug up or doing some repair. Yeah, so I want all the roads to be completed at a time so that the whole of Bengaluru will be, traveling smoothly.
मैं मोदी साहब से गुजारिश करता हूँ.
Wow, sir. There's no amount of patience with people nowadays. It's not a good idea to record a lengthy video because they say that people's attention span has been decreased. The amount of time that people are able to concentrate on a particular thing has been decreased. So they have lost patience, they have lost I could have gone there, right? Right or not? Let me down in the comments below. We'll get a fuel stop here.
A few minutes later.
I mean, I'm getting a
अबे जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकल.
decent amount of mileage. I mean, it has never dropped like 20 below 25, and the highest I've gotten is 33. Oh.
सूर्या
I don't know, I think this road is exactly straight in line with the sun, I guess, in the morning. I don't know, all of a sudden my gearbox is pretty smooth. Very smooth, like it's butter smooth. Oh, yes, sir. See, it is butter smooth. I don't know what happened. Excuse me? Are you that hungry? You're completely satiated, huh? Hey. Or was it just it needed to heat up? The engine needed to heat up. See, it's butter smooth. I'm not even feeling that shift. Now I felt it. I guess it's just a play of RPM. I guess you need to maintain certain RPM. You won't feel a thing when you're shifting. It's already 7:15. I should have been on the first flyover by now. Whoa. My dad usually tells that when driving, that is the same color that I like. That is the exact same color, black. So yeah. What was I saying? Oh, the end line makes me forget things, man. So, I forgot. What the I forgot what I was saying, dude. Hey, really, the gearbox has been it has become smooth.
Smooth, just like a silka.
I hope everything is recording, and yeah, that is one thing, boys. My SD card, I need to get a new SD card. It's almost full, so I don't know till where. It's okay, auntie. Yeah. I wouldn't have run you over. Yeah, I was talking about my SD card. So, I have a 128 GB of SD card, and it is not enough. And that too, I'm shooting this in 5K because of this hyper view wide view.
2 very boring minutes later.
I think I started really late, so now the sun will be exactly in front of me. I wouldn't be able to see a thing. I don't think I won't be able to shoot the next part of the video because of this extreme sun. I still don't have an ND filter, so gosh, it's just a byproduct of getting late. You get late for 5 minutes, it will delay your travel for 10-15 minutes, so now I need to push a little extra to cover up the time. Every day happens like this.